Welcome to the future of robotics in 2025. Innovation is revolutionizing industries, driven by robotics, AI, and digital twin technology. These advancements enhance efficiency and reduce costs, positioning businesses competitively. Let's dive into the key trends shaping robotics in 2025. Artificial intelligence is pushing robotics to new heights. Robots are now equipped with AI, allowing them to interpret data, make real-time decisions, and perform predictive maintenance. Expect enhanced autonomy from robots, enabling complex tasks like planning and fault prediction. They will adapt in real time to environmental changes, improving functionality, and facilitating better human-robot communication. Next, collaborative robots, or cobots, are changing workforce dynamics. They interact directly with humans in small businesses. By 2025, cobots will become more autonomous and user-friendly, broadening their accessibility for all businesses while ensuring safe interaction in high-risk environments. Autonomous mobile manipulators are set to be a game-changer. These robots will excel in transporting and handling objects efficiently. They can perform repetitive tasks like assembly and packaging, significantly enhancing productivity. Digital twin technology is optimizing robotics. It creates virtual replicas of robotic systems for real-time analysis, allowing for simulated testing and performance optimization, all while reducing risks. Let's not forget humanoid robots. As they become more capable in healthcare and personal assistance, their applications expand. Enhanced mobility allows them to navigate complex tasks, adapting to specific needs thanks to advanced AI. Customization is rising. Modular robotic designs cater to specific industry needs, adapting easily with interchangeable components or tailored software platforms. Sustainability is key in this evolution. Robotics are built with eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems, minimizing environmental impact while aligning with global sustainability goals. In conclusion, the robotics landscape of 2025 will be defined by innovation, adaptability, and sustainability. With trends like AI integration and eco-friendly designs, companies will optimize processes and reduce costs. Stay tuned for more insights into how robotics will continue to transform industries. Join the robotics revolution today.